your girl Mariah, and I'm back with another video. Guys, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, but I am back and I am better. So me and my boyfriend decided to make a studio. So yes, I am here in the studio today. It's like 70% done. We still have a lot of things we need to get, and I keep looking over here because I'm kind of on one side and he's kind of on the other side, so yeah. But anyway, besides that, as you guys know, I have been through a lot of stages of colors with my hair, and the last time I got it done was for my birthday. It was December 15th, and basically I had to cut a lot of my hair off because of the fact that this blonde is drying out my hair, was eating at my hair. It just didn't do any justice to my natural hair. And so today I am coming to y'all because I am about to go back black, because I mean, it's just no sense in having this blonde. I mean, it's not really, I don't know, I'm just over the whole unhealthy. I'm ready to get back to my healthy hair so that I can make more content for you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into the video. So I'm gonna put some Vaseline around my edges, just so you know. First, let me comb out my hair. I combed out my hair this morning, but I put a little bit of product in it, so just want to make sure that my hair is untangled. So I'm just gonna, let's just bring this closer to me. I'm just gonna pass this around my edges. Y'all know how we used to do before we got our perms. And yes, I know the box dye, most of them come with gloves, but these gloves fit more snug, so that's the fit I prefer. I don't like those big old gloves because they slide everywhere. It's just a big hot mess. And I'm gonna take my my necklace off just because I don't want it to get messed up. This is the box dye that I chose. It's the Creme of Nature, Jet Black. That's the color. So step one, it says to put on coloring gloves. Snip off tip of cream color developer application as shown. Then remove applicator cap from bottle. Stop. It says, so I'm just gonna snip that like so. So this is the cream developer. So now I'm just going to, this is the color. Then it says to put the cap back on and shake. A lot of people told me that my hair was gonna turn green after this, but y'all, if my hair turn green, I'm gonna be pissed off. But if it do, I can't blame it on nobody but myself, because everybody has been warning me that my hair really might turn green. So my hair into 4 sections. So that's what I am about to do. not gonna use a towel personally because I really don't care about this shirt. So now for the application. And I did buy 2 boxes of this hair color, so I should be good on the amount that I'm using. So without further ado, let's get this started. So I'm gonna pour it on my hands because I already know this is gonna get messy if I don't. Show y'all what it looks like before I go and rinse my hair. Oh, shucks. Y'all, my hair is black. It's not green. Thank God, because y'all, I didn't know what I was going to do if my hair would have turned green. So, no more blonde, y'all. It's all black. So, I'm going to go and put the, what is this? Creme of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Color with Shea Butter Conditioner. In the meantime, I'll give y'all a 360, even though I don't have my swirl chair. I'm just gonna spin around in this other big chair, just so y'all can see the back of my hair. Okay, so, my hair. And I will check with you guys whenever I rinse this conditioner out. Hey you guys, I am back and I just wanted to show y'all what my hair is looking like. I did already wash and shampoo it. I used some new products that I recently got thanks to my great boyfriend who's over there making noise with the chair. But yeah, I used that to wash and condition my hair, and this is the finished results. As you can see, my hair is jet black and I am loving it, y'all. My hair feels soft. It doesn't feel brutal like it was when my hair was blonde. I can actually feel my hair. It retained all the moisture that the conditioner put into it after washing my hair twice. So, I'm gonna give y'all a 360. Okay guys, so yeah, this is what my hair came out to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're ready to see what I have to offer in 2020. And remember guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.